Hey there, I'm doing an unboxing of a set of 2 filters, HEPA filters, and so you can kind of see these by design. The cover on this one does not pull off. I've had some where you could pull those off. You do have, you know, that nice little edging here, which will also help with catching dust and different things that you might have, you know, going through the air. So as far as the size, it's just a little over 6 inches. The inside is about 4.5 inches. Same on the bottom. You've got 6 inches and you've got 4.5 inches. The length on it is it's almost 9 inches. It's like 8 3/4 or maybe just a hair longer. And then that width of the rim here is about 1 inch. So if you're trying to size up a filter for something that you have at home, hopefully this was helpful for you. And then you can even see, you know, you got that black lining in there. So it's a really great filter if you've got the air filtration system that's compatible with that.